Okay, dear students, all of you know we are discussing the NCERT problem, okay, from your NCERT book, exercise 6.2, based on the concept of increasing and decreasing function. Here is the question number 9 I am going to discuss, okay, and in this question it is given that, okay, let's see the question here in front of you, and prove that y is equal to f theta 4 sin theta by 2 cos theta 2 plus cos theta minus theta is an increasing function of theta in the closed interval 0 to pi by 2. Once again, prove that y is equal to 4 sin theta by 2 plus cos theta minus theta is an increasing function of theta in the closed interval 0 to pi by 2. Okay, so here the function is y is equal to what? Given 4 sin theta divided by 2 plus cos theta minus theta. Okay, let us find out slope of the line. So we have to find the derivative, that is known as f dash theta. You have to find out. So here derivative of 4 sin theta by 2 plus cos theta. Here you see, okay, derivative of sin theta is cos theta whole into 2 plus cos theta. Okay, derivative of u by v minus sin theta into derivative of 2 plus cos theta. Here derivative of 2 is 0 and derivative of cos theta is what? Minus sin theta whole divided by 2 plus cos theta whole square. Understand? And minus 1. Minus derivative of theta is 1. Okay? Understand? Now let's see. That is equal to, you will simplify this one. 2 plus cos theta whole square. Okay? You see 4 whole into 2 cos theta plus cos square theta minus plus sin square theta minus 2 whole into minus 2 plus cos theta whole square. If you take the LCM, it will be like that. Understand or not? Okay. So that is equal to, look at carefully, this is the LCM 2 plus cos theta whole square. So you see here, understand? So you see now 4 cos 2 cos theta. Okay, you can multiply 4 also. You can multiply 4 here. Okay, let us see the 4 whole into 2 plus cos theta. Okay, cos 2 cos theta, it will be what? 8. It will be 8 cos theta. Yes or no? 8 cos theta. Again, you see cos square theta, here 4 cos square theta. Multiply 4 cos square theta. Okay, and here you see, similarly minus and minus plus sin square theta. 4 here you can write 4 sin square theta. You write here 4 sin square theta. Is it clear? Understand? Once again say cos theta into 2, 2 cos theta, 2 into 4, 8 cos theta. Again cos theta into cos theta, cos square theta, 4 multiplied, 4 cos square theta. Again minus in minus plus sin square theta, 4 into sin square theta, 4 sin square theta. Minus 2 plus whole into 2 plus cos theta whole square. Now you see 8 cos theta plus 4 cos square theta plus 4 cos square theta plus 4 sin theta value we can write here 4. We can write 4 minus, here you see 2 cos theta whole square, it will be what? 4 plus cos square theta plus 4 cos theta. Yes or no? And it will be 2 plus cos theta whole square. Understand? Is it clear? Now you see, again you remove the bracket, simplify. See 8 cos theta plus 4 minus 4, then minus cos square theta minus 4 cos theta, and is equal to 2 plus cos theta whole square. Yes or no? Is it clear? Now 4 plus 4 minus 4 cancel. So 8 cos theta minus 4 cos theta, it will be what? It will be what? 8 cos theta minus 4 cos theta will be 4 cos theta minus cos square theta whole divided by 2 plus cos theta whole square. Is it clear? Understand? Then that's equal to, you see cos theta you can bring common, cos theta whole into 4 minus cos theta divided by 2 plus cos theta whole square. Is it clear? So this is the, we got f dash theta finally is equal to cos theta whole into 4 minus cos theta divided by 2 plus cos theta whole square. Understand? Okay. And we have to prove that the function is increasing function in the closed interval 0 to pi by 2, so that in order to prove the function is an increasing function in the closed interval 0 to pi by 2, so that what will happen? The slope of the function must be greater than 0. Yes or no? So that, you see, carefully you see, in the closed interval 0 to pi by 2, since in the interval 0 to pi by 2, all of you know cos theta what? Greater than 0. Yes or no? Is positive. Understand? In the first quadrant, cos theta is positive. Similarly, 4 minus, you see again, okay, 2 plus cos theta whole square is also greater than 0, because the power is even number. So 2 plus cos theta whole square is also positive. Understand? You see cos theta, we know in the first quadrant the value of cos theta is always less than equal to 1. Whatever the values of theta, the cos theta always value less than equal to 1. It means the 4 minus cos theta must be greater than 0. Understand? Okay. That implies clearly prove that, you see, the cos theta is positive in the interval 0 to pi by 2. Similarly, 2 plus cos theta whole square is also positive because the power is even number. Okay, whatever the value of theta, the power is always positive. Understand? And again, since cos theta is less than equal to 1, so 4 minus cos theta always should be greater than equal to 0. That's still positive, and it is clearly proved that f dash theta is greater than 0. Hence, f is increasing function, increasing in the closed interval 0 to pi by 2. Is it clear? Is it clear? Okay. Understand? So this is how we get the function is increasing function in the given closed interval 0 to pi by 2. Okay. Thank you. Let us see and practice it. Okay.